Today I'm going to show you how to measure and cut down VM-40. VM-40 is a sweep that fits on the bottom of the Elite Series 3/8 doors. It comes in a 36-inch stock length, so you'll have to cut it down to fit as these doors often vary in size. Some of the tools you'll need to cut VM-40: a tape measure and a marker to mark how long to cut it at. A small handsaw like this, something with a lot of teeth, works well. If you have it, a bandsaw, chop saw, or maybe even a high-speed Dremel tool works for a nice clean cut. To clean up the ends, wire cutters and file, and then of course safety glasses. Alright, this door here has a sweep on it already that we can use as reference to cut our new sweep. If that's not present, you'll just have to measure outside edge to outside edge of the glass and cut accordingly. The sweep's compression fit on, so it's pretty simple to remove. Just pull it off and you're ready to cut your new one. Alright, so I've already marked the new sweep versus the old sweep with a Sharpie. After doing so, you just basically need to do a nice slow stroke with the saw to start. There you go. Alright, so we got the sweep cut, and now to finish it off we're going to want to round the actual deflector that goes on the inside of the shower. To do that, we're going to take wire cutters. Make sure you have your safety glasses on at this point. Clip a quick 45 and take a file, round off those sharp points. That way it finishes off the sweep nice, a little safer, and we're ready for reinstallation. Alright, now we have the sweep cut, so we're ready to install it back onto the glass. It's important to make sure that the deflector side is on the inside of the glass, so that way the water is encouraged to go back into the shower pan. A pro tip would be to use a little glass cleaner, maybe Dawn dish soap, to kind of lubricate the sweep so it fits up onto the glass a little easier. It's pretty tight fitting. You want to start on the hinge side, get it all the way to the glass edge, and work it up onto the glass. Make sure that it's all the way up, and you're good to go. If you have any further questions about installing your VM-40 Elite Series sweep, please email info@splendorshowerdoor.com. Thanks for watching.